Example 3 is like example 2. We have multiple logs that we're going to condense into one. Before we actually do anything with, I'm going to rewrite a bit just so it's a little less confusing. We'll still have log base 7 of x squared plus log base 7 of x. But instead of writing that as a fraction like so, I'm going to pull the 5 over 2 out. Because at that point it looks a little bit more like an exponent that would come in, which is what we intend it to be. Before we condense, let's pull that exponent up. Now we can condense into a single log. We'll have x squared times x divide by x to the 5 over 2. That would give us x cubed on top. We're not fully simplified yet. We can subtract those exponents. 3 minus 5 over 2 would be 1/2. So log base 7 x to the 1/2, or 1/2 log base 7 of x. B, we can go ahead, write, and condense those logs into one. Have log base 5, 2x minus 2 on top, x squared plus 2x minus 3 on the bottom. The simplifying that we would do in this case is factoring. On top, there's a 2 common we can take out. On the bottom, two numbers that multiply to -3 and add to 2. We'd have x plus 3 and x minus 1. Allows us to cancel the x minus 1's. And we have log base 5 of 2 over x plus 3.